Virtual reality for veterinarians is a virtual reality application to practice and learn aspects of veterinary medicine. The tutorial is to train the user how to move in a virtual reality environment. The blackboard will indicate tasks to accomplish. When tasks are fulfilled, the specific task becomes green. For example, you can teleport using your left hand. Teleporting will move your body distances without walking. You can walk as well to reach an object, or you can do a combination of teleporting and walking. You can turn your body using either hand joystick. Push joystick to the left and your body will turn to the left. Push joystick to the right and your body will turn to the right. In addition to the joystick, you can turn your body as you walk, having the same effect. Your right hand is a hand that enables you to grab objects by pressing your index button. We can grab the oxygen flow meter, and by turning the hand, we can turn it on to a specific oxygen flow like in real life. We can grab objects such as the rebreathing bag to move it around and install it as desired. To install the oxygen tank, it requires a combination of maneuvers. You have to grab the oxygen tank, walk or teleport to the back of the anesthesia machine, install the tank in the specific slot, and secure it to the machine. Then you can turn the tank on. As you fulfill the task from the tutorial, your body and your brain are adapting to your new virtual reality environment, which is the environment we will use to practice and learn the different veterinary tasks and applications. Finally, you can reset your body position by pressing the reset button on your controller, and you can change your height, taller or shorter, by pushing the joystick forward or backwards on either controller.